So, hey, here is another why of break no more. So, why sticking to your values no matter what? Because it's a strong compass and it's a fucking amazing thing against manipulators. Because manipulators they thrive on exploiting uncertainty, and if you are just always revolving around the same um, couple of things around the same pillars, if your foundations are solid, like sticking to your values, then manipulators they can try to drag you in one direction or the other. In the end, you're just gonna come back all the time around your values, and it's gonna just uplift you, no matter what. So then it developed trust instead of depleting your self-worth, because for instance, because they managed to hook you into something that you didn't desire to do, for instance. So it's like for within my day or whatever I might be doing, as long as I see that it moves forward, even if it's not sticking to the plan I had, for me it's okay because it's moving forward. So I trust that as long as I'm doing something that is constructive, that I know is a successful recipe from past experiences, recent experiences, as long as I know that it's successful shit, I'm like, yeah, okay. Like it's been like a bit going about the schemes and true, but like in the end, I've still done the thing. Like it's moving in the right direction. So I'm like, yeah, okay, it's annoying. It's not what I planned, but I'm still disciplined and going about what I want. So I don't get it's consistently going in the same direction. So it shields me against the attacks. And it's the same for you. Your values are these abstract notions that you can revolve around no matter where you are. No matter where you are, those abstract values are always with you. So you're never in uncertainty. You are always in safety. This is the point. And it's your best defense against office politics at work. It's like no matter how people are plotting, if as long as you know that it's alongside your values, then you're like, okay, you're going for it, or you remove yourself from it. And in life, it repels toxic people from your circles because they see that you are not that vulnerable and that you come back no matter what into your values. Have fun.